Hello kids! In this video, we will learn some shapes and color names. So, let's start. It is orange color. It is yellow color. It is red color. It is blue color. It is green color. It is violet color. Let us draw these shapes. It is black color. It is five-pointed star. It is square. It is heart. It is equilateral triangle. It is hexagon. Its latest color the shape is yellow color. This shape is five-pointed star. It has 5 points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Five-pointed star. It is violet color. It is square. It has 4 sides. Orange color. It is circle. It has no side. Red color. It is heart. Heart is a shape. Blue color. It is equilateral triangle. It has 3 sides. It is green color. It is hexagon and it has 6 sides. Kids, let us recall the shape's name and color name once again. It is five-pointed star, yellow color, square, violet color, circle, orange color, heart, red color, equilateral triangle, blue color, hexagon, green color. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe and keep learning. Bye bye.